Hey Bob, just showing you the engine here. Thought we'd try to do a video and pictures as well. First, I went back here, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a throwout bearing there on the clutch fork. You can see the clutch fork here. Throwout bearing is dead center, but due to the lighting, I don't believe you can see it. Like I told you before, it does have a bell housing. There's a starter, the generator and the ground strap, your oil filler, your distributor, the plug wires that you were asking me about. They're dusty, but they do look new. Plugs, I'll pull them plugs, but they could have, I don't know what the situation is on those. So, you know, that could have been from the dust just sitting around and stuff. It does have the carburetor on it and the air filter. The intake. And this is your vacuum line that you'll need. You've got your cover down here and everything. Got your water pump, your fan, your thermostat housing. So hopefully this will help you. Got the fuel pump on it. So hopefully this will help you on it. Sorry that the video is not that good, but you can see I've kind of got it stuck over here out of the corner, out of my way some. But I'll get you some other pictures as well.